Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm joined by the fabulous Tara Kelly. She's gracing us with her presence for today because, what are we doing, Tara?
We're making a gingerbread house.
Yeah.
That is a year out of date.
Because
and James can't eat any of it because he's vegan, so I am going to eat this whole house by myself.
Yeah. So without further ado, we have our wine. Do your drinks at home, guys. Get your drinks.
All you 14-year-olds out there,
and cheers.
Raise the glass.
Cheers. Clink. Clink. And let's get into this.
Don't fucking go near mine, I swear to God. I swear to God, I'll actually kill you.
Oh, hold on. Did we make a mistake here, Tara?
What? No, we didn't.
Is it supposed to be like the same width as this?
It doesn't matter.
Totally is. Hold on now.
What do you mean? No, that's the same. What are you doing?
You do your routine. I'm going to do mine.
What do you mean? It has to be the same. It still can be.
No, can. You do your shit. I'll do my shit. Okay.
Oh yeah. Wait.
See?
Wait, how are you going to fix it though?
Let's see. Competition is started.
Oh, you just need to bring yours lower.
Oh, that's what you're trying to.
You do. You need to bring yours lower down.
No, yours is the same distance from the edge as mine was, so
yeah,
you
but
also made a mistake.
If yours is going to connect to mine.
No, not like that.
I have one fucking move out my way.
See? Right now, I'm going to make mine perfect.
Why don't you just
Because
cheating?
I'm not cheating. I'm now you need to move yours in.
See, now I need to move mine.
Look at the distance. Yours is way too close to the edge.
Well, fucking move yours in then. Mine is perfect. I'm sorry, mine is perfect.
No, that's not how it works.
As you can see, mine is perfectly aligned.
No.
James got a gap there.
No, okay, Tara, listen, right, okay, so how
Why
do
don't you just fucking do it properly?
I am doing it properly.
You're not, you're making a balls out of this. Here, why don't we just join it together like a normal person, like, you know, stop making it difficult. Doing your job for you, man, like, honestly.
Or maybe move yours
That's
down.
a good sport. I'm just being a
there
good
we go.
sport.
Look, see my side. Oh, look you.
Yeah, why don't you just off, huh? Oh, look, you did now.
Hey, hold on, I don't even
Well,
have snow on
there's a
this
gap
side.
there now? What's the story there? Why is there a gap?
That gets like filled in with icing. And there's a chimney, like that's a chimney.
Right, yeah, that's sound.
Yeah, but like I don't have snow like on this guy.
If you don't have to, that's
Here.
not.
That's true, yeah, that's true. Yeah. Okay,
Is
right.
that just gonna fall down?
Oh yeah. Do we have any other pieces? No, well, well, you worry about your side, I'll worry about my
I think we're
side.
fresh out.
Yeah, you worry about your side, I'll worry about my side.
Oh, you're just gonna cover it with that, like, honestly. This is both of our sides. This is the top. This is my side. That's your side.
Are we
We're gonna
sure
draw. No, we're drawing. That line is mine.
Okay, oh, move it over.
But this is ours, so we need to sort this out.
Okay, so I think if we do this, like some sort of like.
Like gel some of that shit onto it.
Oh, yeah.
Then again, it's not that important.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, you're not really gonna see this. So you do your.
You do you.
You do you, and I'll do me.
Okay.
See if you kind of whisk it side to side.
You cut the hole in this too big.
Well, I like a lot of white.
Can you move that out of my face?
See, perfect. Okay, right, I need some more wine.
I swear to God, if you snicker one more fucking time.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, we're having some.
I'm working with the size of the
That's shite.
No, because you don't know what it is. It's snow. Hello.
Is it?
Yep.
Could have fooled me.
No, I know. Because it's coming from the top and it's drooping down, which is realistic. You know, like snow would.
I never said mine was snow.
What's yours?
Decoration.
Decoration. What decoration is?
Cough count.
White and like liquidy.
Cough count number 1.
Yeah. That's gonna be your side because you.
No,
Oh,
it's not.
actually, I can use this to my advantage.
Oh, no, you can't. This is my side. It was there. You moved it.
Middle line here.
Yeah. Well, why are you fucking? You moved it.
That's straight now. That's
Yeah,
straight.
but why are you moving it like?
So I wanted to get the front.
Stop moving it. I'm trying to fucking.
You're literally moving it.
Stop.
Here.
I swear to God.
I should probably use. I was like, stop.
Can you get me a knife?
I don't think we're allowed to use tools. I'm I'm going to put in the cat because, you know, I feel like...
Hey, there's only one cat. You already can't just fucking call dibs on it, like.
Well, I just did, didn't I? Oh my god, I actually just remembered something.
Yeah, the cat is so Christmassy.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna put like a little hat on him. Oh, you know, I'm gonna make a fence. Just gonna take all these.
You can't take all of them. You gotta share.
I'm gonna take a window. Oh, well, would you like a front each? Oh, well, you have the front, so.
No, I
that's the door.
That's the door. Yeah, I'll take that.
So I'll take the back. The back garden.
You never said we could use candy canes. Well, you could just shove it on there, like.
No.
Make it look shite.
Oh, well, you worry about yours looking shite, and I'll worry about mine looking shite.
Yeah, because.
Oh, I'm gonna make a heart. That's love. Love is beautiful. So weird looking. I know the right ingredients to make my perfect gingerbread house. Wine count. Woo! Okay, well, let's add some colour into this. I'm gonna make some like Hansel and Gretel kind of style. Holiday home.
Holiday home.
Cabin in the woods, you know. But not like a haunted version.
Cabin in the woods is not the name of like a horror film.
Yeah, not like a haunted version, like a romantic, you know, cute little getaway for, you know, Christmas lovers. That's Santa's. Oh my god! That's not even funny, I think it is. Oh my god.
What else could it be? Oh, it's a candle. It's a candle.
Yeah,
it's a candle. It's a candle. Okay.
What a ball. Okay, this one's a candle. Oh, that's a star shooting.
Oh, can I put that?
Yeah, well.
Ah, no, you have to share that. We can take turns with it.
Okay, I'm gonna use the green, because I like green.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna write James. On the front, on the back. JMC.
Oh, that's great. We should have had these from
Yeah,
the
I
start.
know. Let's see, let's do a test sample, see what they look like. I mean, they're cool, okay. Ooh, okay. Alright. I'm gonna do like.
That's not red.
I'm gonna do like.
I think I tested that one. Look at that, that's not red. Horse in that.
Horse. Actually, let me just check. No, it is not. It's just sugar. It's just sugar. Sugar. I'm gonna do like. Oh, I'm gonna do a rainbow. Okay. I'm gonna do a rainbow. Oh, I'm gonna do coming up. Okay, I can't contain my excitement. Get out of here with that one. Don't be looking at mine. How can you get a perfect gingerbread house without like you're like a professional? Oh my gosh, will this fit in my rainbows? Oh well, okay. Sorry, I've just elevated mine to the next
Mine's
level.
taking a downhill spiral and I just...
Mine started off rough and, you know, kind of questionable.
Giving up.
That's like, you know, I don't know, the blue happened to you this year?
Not really. Oh, I saw him for the first time in public.
Oh, there we go.
Shot my pants.
Where was that? Where did you sing? Oh, yeah. And just fun fact about Tara, guys, if you didn't know, she's a very talented singer. So
I've had a few drinks on.
yeah, and she's taking bookings now at Tara_Kelly with 3 L's on Instagram.
It's not my out.
Shoot her. It is Tara.Kelly.
Kelly with 3 Y's, not
Yeah.
3 L's.
Oh, sorry.
Right.
Gosh.
Is it? Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm gonna end up messing it up if I add too much. Oh my god, I didn't even do the back. Hold on now. Oh, would you do grand reveal? Okay, guys. Okay, right. Have a drink first. Oh, that's good. Fine. Right, it's fine. Okay, right. So this side is basically just like the kind of neglected side. We collaborate on the front, but we just like let this one. I kind of started, but whatever. So, Tara, we reveal your side first.
It's cute. It's like a children's dream because it's like full of sweets.
Oh, it's actually nice.
I have Merry Christmas written. I wanted to write like Christmas, like Christ Mass.
Yeah, instead of Xmas the Christ.
Which I usually would never say Xmas, but also that in blue icing was a pain in the arse. So here we are.
Yeah.
X'd out the Christ.
Yeah.
You probably just can't even see it.
Yeah, you probably can.
It says Merry Christmas.
Around this area down here. Merry.
Well, you can't see it, then it says Merry Christmas, not it.
Yeah.
And then I just put some
goodies, you know?
Some sweets, you know, for effect.
Yeah, for, you know, the kids.
So there's our front door.
There's that front door, you know, we kind of made a little collaboration here. Tara added these bits. I just wanted to kick it up a notch with the candy cane.
Yeah, was it?
Oh, you didn't talk about the candy cane on yours.
Oh yeah, I just put a candy cane on the bottom.
Yeah.
With some foundation.
Yeah. Structural support.
And this is James' shitty side. And that's the end of the video.
No, hold on. And then my side. So I decided to go to like a happy theme. So I started off here at the top with the snow. That was kind of the main kind of anchor point because, you know, I just thought, you know, if it's snowy, it would kind of drip down. So I dripped it down the sides, you know, kind of made it a bit, you know, uneven, so, you know, interesting to the eye line. As you can see, it dips down here. And then when I discovered these bad boys, that's when my real creativity came to life. I was like, what am I with these? Rainbows, hello. So I added a rainbow down here because it's magical. It's a magical house, my side. There's rainbows growing on the walls. But like, it's kind of like, if you could imagine, the rainbows are forming against the roof, you know? Use your imagination. But like, it's not a full rainbow because it's not all the colours. It's only green, red, and yellow, and blue. I'll let you look at my side.
You're so good.
Okay, right. So, cheers. Okay guys, and that's our gingerbread house making competition. I really hope you enjoyed. Please let us know down in the comments who won. Yeah, let us know down in the comments who won. I think
I did.
Yeah, I think I did. But you be the decider of that, and I'll see you in the next one. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also that little notification bell just notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'm actually uploading extra videos this month. Just as a Christmas, you know, treat. So you don't want to miss them.
Spoiled.
Yeah. So you don't want to miss them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.